What's up, guys? Hope you are doing well. Today we'll learn about the verb to be. It's commonly used to talk about names, ages, feelings, professions, and nationalities. We'll start this lesson by looking at the conjugations. You'll notice that the verb to be is highly irregular. That it has a number of different forms. To learn the present tense forms of the be verb are I am, you are, he, she, it, is, we are, and they are. Here are some examples of sentences using the verb to be. He is Daniel. She's 16 years old. They are sad. I am a doctor. Sufi is Iranian. In each sentence, you can see that the verb to be has changed to match the subjects. Time for an activity. Complete the following sentences with the correct forms of the verb to be. Pause here while you work. Let's check the answers. I am talking. He is an artist. You are a good person. They are here. The bus is at school. We are a young country. The verb to be also forms questions. Again, the verb must be conjugated to match the subjects. For example, how are you? Am I right? Is she happy? Are they in Paris? Notice the subject and the verb change order when forming questions. I am right. She is happy. They are in Paris. Complete the following sentences with the correct form of to be, this time without the conjugation chart. Pause here while you work. Okay guys, let's check. John and Maria are tired. Are you coming over? The cat is sleeping. Ella and I are friends. Is she a doctor? I am fat and Andrew is thin. And that's how the verb to be is used in present tense. Remember, with the verb to be, you can talk about names, talk about ages, talk about feelings, talk about professions, and talk about nationalities. Thanks for watching us, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. See you. Bye.